Today we're going to read a book with the title Little Bit. The Sound of Short I. The sound of short I is eh, eh, eh. Now we're going to read. I want you to read it with me. Let's get started. I can cook a little bit. I can make a home run hit. I can learn to kick. I can hear a clock go tick. I can wear a wig. I can help my sister dig. I can run up a hill. I can sit on a window sill. I can dress like a king. I can learn to sing. Now, we're going to read the different words we read earlier. We have here our word list. Bit, bit, dig, dig, hill, hill, hit, hit, kick, kick, king, king, little, little, sill, sill, sing, sing, sister, sister, sit, sit, tick, tick, wig, wig, window, window. And that's it for today. Now it's your time to read.